Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make some delicious mashed potatoes and gravy. So in case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so we're going to begin by cooking our potatoes. I'm going to be using my Instant Pot. So to that we're going to add 6 yellow potatoes. I'm going to fill it up halfway with water. So just make sure you cover the potatoes. And I'm also going to be adding 2 garlic cloves. Now we're just going to close our Instant Pot. Make sure that it's set on sealing. We're going to be using the pressure cook setting and cook for 13 minutes. Okay, so we're just going to allow it to do its thing. Alright guys, so once our potatoes are done cooking, we're going to do a quick release. So just be very careful. Okay, so once done, we're going to open our Instant Pot. Now we're going to remove our potatoes along with the garlic cloves. The garlic cloves, make sure that you set them to the side. Okay, so now carefully we're going to drain all of the water. Okay, we're going to return to our Instant Pot. We're going to cancel, set it on saute, and now we're going to mix everything inside our Instant Pot. Okay, we're going to begin by melting 10 tablespoons of butter. Along with 4 ounces of cream cheese. Okay, so just allow your butter to melt and your cream cheese to dissolve. Okay, we're going to add our garlic cloves and just break them down. Okay, so now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and salt. I'm using 1 teaspoon and a quarter. Okay, so now we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream and 3/4 of a cup of milk. Okay, so I'm going to add a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Allow the cheese to melt. Okay, so once the cheese melts, we're going to add our potatoes. I'm going to be using a potato ricer. And just squeeze them in there. Now we're just going to mix everything and taste it for salt at this point. And our potatoes are done, so now I'm just going to turn it off. Keep it on warm setting. Alright, so once our potatoes are ready, now we can get ready to make our gravy. To make our gravy, we're going to grab a pan, set it on medium heat, and melt 4 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter melts, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of beef bouillon, 1 teaspoon of celery salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And just whisk it in there. Once the butter and flour combines, we're going to be adding 2 1/4 cups of chicken stock, or you can use beef stock, or even the drippings from your turkey. But just make sure that you're whisking it in. Now we're just going to whisk for about 3 to 4 minutes, or just until it thickens up. Okay, so after 4 minutes, we have our gravy. So now we're going to turn it off. Taste it for salt and see if you want to adjust it. For me, it's perfect. So now we can get ready to serve. Okay, so this is what our gravy should look like. Okay, so I'm just going to transfer it. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. Of course, you want to transfer your mashed potatoes to a serving dish, as well as for your gravy, and get all of your delicious foods. But the mashed potatoes, it's always a must. Look at that, they're nice, fluffy, moist. Make a little hole in the middle, so we can add our gravy, just like that. Alrighty, and just like that, now you're ready to enjoy. Okay, so cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make some delicious mashed potatoes and gravy. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you record this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.